Hello guys, so today I will be walking you guys through, showing you guys how to convert your text to speech. Yes, how to convert your text to an AI voice for free. This tool is entirely free. I was actually looking for a free tool like this. All I keep getting online are paid version where you are actually limited. If you're limited to a certain numbers of words that you can actually convert. So made me further my research. Then I come across this particular tool on a Windows computer, which is fantastic, by the way. You're not restricted, there are no limitation. Just well, I'll walk you guys through it, you see for yourself. So let's jump right into it. So all we need to do first is open up our Microsoft Store, the Microsoft Store on your Windows computer. And by the way, for those using the Mac device, I don't know how to actually get this app yet, but you can actually go ahead and go through your Mac store also and see if this particular software or app is also available. So I think there should be this the same interface, by the way. So right into it again. So go ahead and open our Microsoft Store. So if you look at the taskbar right here, this is our Microsoft Store. This right here is our Microsoft Store. This icon with this black icon in form of a bag, a shopping bag with different color. You can either click on that or you come to your search box at the bottom of your taskbar. Then you click on Microsoft Store. So there it is. We're going to open that up, and this is going to take us to the Microsoft Store. So we go ahead and search for Clipchamp. Oh, sorry. So you just have to type it in. Let me type it in because I already have it typed it in already. So here is the tool. There is the application. We click on install. This is going to take a few seconds depending on the speed of your internet. This shouldn't be more than 10 to 12 seconds, by the way. That is if your internet speed is very high. This shouldn't take more than 10 to 12 seconds. I guess my internet is quite slow today. Getting this ready. Let's wait a bit. Okay. So there it is. So once this is done and downloading and installing, so we go ahead and click on open. So there it is. It's signing me in automatically. So before you can use this app, you need to sign in using your Microsoft account. So the reason why I'm signing automatically is because I have my Microsoft account signed in on this PC. My Microsoft account was used to set up this PC, so it actually synchronized that. So but if your Windows is set up using a local account, you will get a page to sign in. It's quite easy. It's an easy interface and process. All you just need to do is go through the process and sign in using your Microsoft account. Just in case you don't have a Microsoft account, you can go online and create one by going through the URL account.microsoft.com. Once you click on that, you will be come with an interface where you can click on sign up at the top right corner, or you click on sign in the sign in interface. You see an option to sign up for a Microsoft account. So now what we are interested in on this interface, you can take your time and go through all this and read through all this. So what we are interested in is creating, take us to the studio environment. This is where the magic happens, just like every other video editing software. So if you are familiar with every other video editing software, this should be easy for you to navigate through. And if you have no idea, you can go on YouTube and search for how to use Clipchamp, which is one of the video I will be creating next, because this is fantastic too. This is a fantastic tool. So what we're concerned about is the tools. One of the tools on the left hand side, as you can see, these are various tools that you can use to achieve your goal. So what we're concerned, the major tool we're concerned about is record and create. So once you click on that, a different option pops up, screen and camera. This is fantastic for most of you that see some YouTube video where you have the convener, the instructor have his image at the bottom, then this recording the screen. You can use this to achieve that. Then we have the camera, we have the screen option, we have the audio, and this is the fantastic feature that we are concerned about. So we're going to click on text to speech. Once you click on this, an entire window opens up. An entire section opens up on the right hand side and ready to kickstart the business of the day. So here is the section where we copy and paste our text. So before we do anything, we have to copy and paste the text here to have an idea how this works. So I think I have a sample for our document in my Microsoft Word. I'm going to copy that and I'm going to minimize this because I'm not going to close. So I'll come down here, I'm going to click on Ctrl V. Okay, there it is. So remember, you're not restricted to, well, I've not actually tried a very lengthy word, but to be honest, I think the amount of words that you can actually convert is quite enough. So we go through, we click on language. You can select any language of your choice which you want the AI voice to read this text in. So I'm going to leave it at default by English. So, and you can select different voice. So let's go through some few voices. I'm going to click on this, Adam definitely a male. So I'm going to click on this.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing.
That definitely male voice. Let's try a female voice. Ada. Sounds like evil. So it's actually an evil. Ada. Ada is definitely.
Choose from a variety of voices.
Once you're done with this, you can
decide
to extend the advanced option. But your vocal pitch, you can set the vocal pitch. You know what vocal pitch is. You can actually select and hear the voice of the AI to see how this works out. So extra low, medium, high. So you can go through these whole features and just set it to suit what you want. So the only time I actually make changes in this section is if I want to set the pace. Sometimes I tend to reduce this to fit into the story that I want the AI voice to read, but I'm going to leave it by default here. So once we are done with everything over here, so we'll come down here and click on save. It's quite simple. It's just an A, B, C, D, and you're done. So once we click on save, this is gonna go through the okay, there it is. That was quite fast. So click on save. Once you see this check mark, that implies that that shows that this is saved and you're ready to hear the voice behind this text. So we're gonna click on preview. This might take some few seconds. Let's wait.
In a small African village, nestled at the edge of the savannah, a young woman named Zuri stood at a crossroads between the past and the future. The village was known for its rich traditions, rituals passed down through generations that defined every aspect of life.
How do we export this as an MP3? Because when you click on export, every option you have here is in a video format. So it's quite easy. You can actually export this in a video format. Then you go online and search for a free tool that you can use to extract your audio from the video or convert audio to video. But if you are used to Filmora, Adobe Premiere Pro, Clipchamp, it's quite easy. You can copy this and take it to those video editing software. There is an option in every of these video editing software to detach or separate audio from video. So it's quite easy. But for those of you who do not want to go through that straight, you just want to have your MP3 straightforward and take the MP3 and use it however you want. So I'm going to be walking you guys through another process to actually have this in MP3. It's simply by using the Microsoft Sound Recorder. So yes, Microsoft Sound Recorder with the same quality, trust me, with the same quality. But before we do that, before we record anything on this computer, we need to go to our settings and check the input device settings. We need to So we're going to go to settings. Then we're going to search for sound. Settings. Sound. So once we click on sound, we come down here. By default, your input is always going to be on microphone. If this is set to stereo, I mean you are in a Zoom meeting or in a Teams meeting, none of everyone in the meeting are not going to hear you if you are set to stereo. But by default, the microphone, this automatically allows people to hear you when you're calling on WhatsApp or any other video software or any other social media software, when you're trying to make communication via some social media application on your computer. So always set this, but by default when you come in here, this is going to set to microphone, because if this is set to stereo, trust me, you think your microphone does not work. So but for us to use that feature to record that voice, that AI voice, and have it in MP3 format, we're going to click on stereo. Once you're done setting this to stereo, we're going to close out of this. Then now we need to search for our sound recorder. We're going to open that up. So this is only going to capture the sound on this computer that is currently being played, and trust me, it's a very great quality. So we're going to click on this red icon right here to start recording. So I'll quickly click out of this. Then we'll click on preview.
In a small African village, nestled at the edge of the savannah, a young woman named Zuri stood at a crossroads between the past and the future. The village was known for its rich traditions, ritual.
Then we stop this. Then we play this. Sense any difference?
In a small African village, nestled at the edge of the savannah, a young woman named Zuri stood at a crossroads between the past and the future.
So
the village was known for its rich traditions, ritual.
You see we have different recordings here. So we're going to right click on this one, the active one, show in folder. So this is going to take us to where we have the folder where this is saved in, document, sound recording. Then let's open this in VLC and have an idea how this sounds again. This
in
is
a small African village,
so that is
nestled
simply
at
how
the edge
to
of the savannah,
quickly
a young woman
get
named
this into
Zuri
an
stood
MP3
at a
format
crossroads
for you to,
between the past
use.
and the future.
So
the village
once again, the app is called Clipchamp, free app to convert your text to speech. And that will be the end of this video, and I would like to say thank you once again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share and like. See you some other time. Ciao.